Since you are typing papers and submitting papers from Microsoft Word or Google Docs, I want to review a bit about formatting your typed paragraphs. So remember, when you type a paragraph, all of the writing will continue. There's no extra space like this or like this. After the period, you continue to write. At the end here, I did not press return. When I was typing, the computer automatically goes down for me. I don't have to do it. So I am not pressing return. I never press return or enter when I am typing a paper. Okay, now if I look at this paragraph, we have a couple of problems with the formatting. What's the first problem? Indent, right? How do we indent? We use the tab button. I can't show you the tab button because it is on my keyboard. But remember that I don't hit space, 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 space. I hit a button called tab on my keyboard, and it makes the correct spaces automatically. So I'm going to click here in front of San Jose and tab. Okay, so I see I have a good straight line here. It is automatic from the computer. And this is a little uneven, but this is normal. What else do I need to make this a good paragraph? I also need to double space. So where is my button to double space, and how do I do it? So I can highlight, click and drag, and then this is the choice right here for changing the spacing. So sometimes 1.5 is automatic, but I want you to change to 2. That is double space. Okay, so that looks good. Now notice that the size here is 12. That is good. Sometimes the automatic size is 11, and then you have to come here and change 12. Okay? What else is wrong with my paragraph? It looks pretty good, but the main problem is up here, no title and no heading. So number 3, I need a title, and number 4, I need a heading. Okay, so I'm going to go up to the top, and it might be on the side automatically like this, but I'm going to hit the middle, the center. That's going to put my title directly in the center. If I just try to space, 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 it won't be good center, perfect center. So no space, space, space. I will hit center. So I'm going to call this San Jose. Notice it's the same size, all capital letters. I'm not going to go like this. No, same size. I can make it a little longer. So I use capital, capital, capital on all my important words. Okay, now I want this whole thing to move down a little bit so I can make my heading. So I will hit enter here. Now you can put your heading on your left side or your right side, I don't care. Let's do our left. So I'm in the middle here because of the title. Now I have to go back on the left side. So I click this button. So I'm going to put my name, but you don't put my name. You put your name, right? Here I'm going to put the date, which is May 3rd. And then I'm going to put ESL 110A. I'm going to double space this too. What do you think? How's it look now? Perfect paragraph, right? All right, I hope this helps remind you about some of the choices up here that can help you make your paragraphs better. All right, good luck.